Imagine earning one commission worth $500 instead of chasing hundreds of tiny sales. That's the power of high-ticket affiliate marketing. But here's the truth, making $500 per day isn't guaranteed. It takes the right strategy, consistent effort, and time to build trust. In this video, I'll show you a beginner-friendly blueprint that can put you on the right path. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche focus on markets where customers are already willing to invest, such as software, online education, business tools, finance, health, or premium home services. The goal is to solve real problems, not just promote expensive products. Step 2. Promote products you believe in. Choose affiliate programs with quality products, strong customer support, and fair commissions. Recommending products you've researched or personally used helps build credibility and long-term trust. Step 3. Create valuable content. Instead of posting endless affiliate links, publish tutorials, reviews, comparisons, case studies, and how-to videos. People buy from creators who educate first and sell second. Step 4. Build an email list. Your email list is one of your most valuable assets. Offer a free guide, checklist, or mini course to collect subscribers, then nurture them with useful content before recommending products. Step 5. Drive consistent traffic. Use YouTube, blogging, Pinterest, SEO, short-form videos, or social media to attract targeted visitors every day. More qualified traffic means more opportunities for conversions. Step 6. Optimize and scale. Track which content generates clicks and sales. Improve your headlines, calls to action, and landing pages. Once something works, create more content around that winning topic. Here's the biggest lesson: successful affiliate marketers don't make money because they post links, they make money because they consistently help people make informed decisions. High-ticket commissions are the result of trust, expertise, and persistence. Can affiliate marketing eventually generate $500 a day? Yes, some affiliates achieve that and much more. But it typically comes after building an audience, refining your strategy, and staying consistent over time, not overnight. If you're serious about building an online income stream, subscribe for more proven digital business strategies. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest challenge with affiliate marketing right now? Let's grow together, one smart step at a time.